Can we monetize text to speech YouTube channels? I have had a detailed conversation with the YouTube support team. Now you could see there is a long conversation that I had. I'm going to share what did the team actually say. So let's get started and welcome to Sriram Benur channel. There have been many YouTube channels which have been rejected from monetization because they use text to speech. Was it really because of the text to speech? Why? Because there are some of the other channels which have also been monetized who are using text to speech as well. Now first let's understand what is the reason why they rejected, and does YouTube allow for text to speech channels and can they get monetized as well. Now this is the conversation that I had with the support team. Again, when I asked, okay, can we use artificial intelligence text to voice, can we still monetize the YouTube channel? So initially they got confused and they said, are you talking about subtitles? So again, I mentioned them, I didn't mean about subtitles, where I was talking about voice to text. Now this is something that they mentioned here. Okay, so Sriram, let me answer you this question directly. Yes, you can. So the YouTube support team did mention that we can monetize channels with text to speech as well. And they said one thing, as long as you follow our YouTube channel monetization policies. Then why are some of the channels not getting monetized? I'm going to share the complete details and I'm going to tell you top 4 things that you need to consider so that your channel with text to speech can also get monetized. Okay. Now here is the first most important thing. You got to have a original content. Now what do I mean by original content? See, right now with a lot of artificial intelligence that is there, if you go to ChatGPT and say, for example, I want to create a video on how to grow on YouTube. So this is what I've written. Write a YouTube script with 5 tips to grow on YouTube. Now, this is going to give the complete information. The complete information where the softwares can literally read the text and they can convert into a speech. But how can we make sure this content is still going to be monetized? Now, this is where you got to give your personal touch as well. Now, me being a YouTuber for almost around close to 10 years right now, I know the kind of mistakes that I've done, the kind of strategies that I've used, which can certainly help to grow on YouTube. Correct? Now, once you get the response from ChatGPT or any other software, right? Please go through this and give a personal touch. Now, it is saying about consistency. Let me tell you one biggest mistake that I did, right? I kept my YouTube channel idle for 3 years, because of which all my subscribers who were there, they were no more active on my channel, because of which I was not able to grow faster. Now, when I share these kind of things in the video, which is my own original content, that is when it is going to be great. Though you might take content from either ChatGPT or any other AI tools, right, which are going to give you the ideas, please add a personal touch for it. Please add your experience. Please add your knowledge to it. That's when it becomes a original content also. Okay. Now this is something that is very, very important for you to consider. Always make sure you have the original content or the original script. Now the other thing is you got to share some good information. Now since in the entire video your audience are going to listen to text to speech, right? So make sure the information that you're going to share is going to retain the audience engagement. So in that case, you got to do really a good amount of research and make sure to give valuable inputs. Either it could be the statistics, it could be the curiosity element, right? Or it could be the fun facts, whatever it is. Make sure you give some good information so that there is high audience retention on the video. And third most important thing, when you choose the voice for your video, make sure you're going to choose a voice which is more like a human voice. Okay. While there are many platforms where you can get the text to speech, okay, choose the ones which are really good. So in fact, I have checked for this one website which is called as merv.ai. They have great voice that is available. This is the kind of sound that I'm getting from this.
Thousands of creators have been earning significant amounts of money.
Right. So you can choose the kind of voice that you want from these kind of websites. So there are many sites also that are available. Okay. Always make sure you're going to use use a voice which is more like a human voice. That's something that you can consider. Now this is something that is very important as well. Last and the most important one. Make sure you have some great video editing that you are doing. Now, what do I mean by great video editing? So make sure you are using great transitions. Don't use the same transition throughout the entire video, right? And keep changing the different scenes. Either it could be, you could be using the images, you could be using the video clips, or you could be using the graphics. Keep changing them. And whenever it is needed, give some great sound effects, or use some great background music. Okay. Now, don't have the same image or a video clip for a longer time. It's always better that, okay, you change the images or video clips maybe in around 7 to 10 seconds, so that you always give a great appeal for the audience who are watching your video. Now, if you follow these 4 things, certainly you have a better chance to monetize your text to speech YouTube channel. Okay. And again, throughout this entire content, make sure that you are not violating any of the other YouTube guidelines which is required to monetize the channel. Okay. Follow this. Certainly you can monetize your text to speech YouTube channel as well. If you like this information, just give a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed, please do subscribe as well. If you have any questions related to this, comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you want to grow on YouTube, just click on this info link to watch a complete video series on how you can grow on YouTube as well. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.